Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix limited Wi-Fi connection problem in Windows. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Network and Internet. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Properties. Click Configure. Click Power Management. Uncheck all this computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK. Second method is, click Start Settings, click System. Click Power and Sleep. Click Additional Power Settings. Click Change Plan Settings. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Click and expand Wireless Adapter Settings. Change to Maximum Performance. Click Apply, OK. Third method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Uninstall. Click Action, click Scan for hardware changes. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.